Gonna yank weeds while drinking beer.
Every day. Clear out another 2 feet a day, and it will be gone.
So we're gonna make a robot that does that?
I am, yeah.
No, I am.
Oh, you are. I've been thinking about making a robot that does that forever.
I'm-
You want to preserve the weeds.
Well, if I can't have a... No, you said I can't have a real cow, so I have to make Cyber Cow.
So you need a robot that pulls the weeds, but then composts them while it carries it, and then poops it into balls in the yard that then turn back into manure.
No, I just want a mechanism that grabs the grass and yanks it and moves. It has to move.
It has to move.
Yeah.
Mine wasn't going to do that. I was just going to, like, pluck these.
I mean, you could just let me get a cow and I could do both.
That sounds like maintenance.
It wouldn't have to involve
More
engineering.
maintenance than a robot. No off switch.
But it's warm.
In the winter, there's nothing to pluck.
Yeah, so you feed it Cheetos and you hug it.
Yeah. Let's sleep in the bed?
Yes.
That sounds like a bad idea.
No. These are the babies. Tiny babies. They're ready to go into the ground outside. That dirt.
The dirt.
Are you sure it isn't too wet?
It's soaking in.
Did you know the opposite of manic pixie dream girl is depressive demonic nightmare boy?
What? Where did you get that from?
The internet.
Oh.
Which is, I think, consequently my type.
Oh.
Be careful with Philip.
My name's Stanley.
Stanley.
Stanley J. Phillip.
Be careful with Philip. He's laying in the dirt. It's too deep. The baby says it's deep. Aww. Philip says he's okay with this. It's your new home.
No.
This one can be named Stanley.
Stanley 2.
Or wait, which one's Philip and which one's Stanley? I don't remember. Susan?
Susan?
one's gonna be called Curtis.
Curtis.
Curtis went in his Curtis hole. This is your home now. It's a windy day, you're gonna have to survive. You think Noodle will mind taking after?
Stare at them.
He's gonna have to take care of them.
Alright.
We don't have rabbits.
No.
Not this far out. We're in the middle of the city-ish. That's only like...
People have pets as rabbits, right? They get out.
Well, Noodle can stay out here and monitor the situation. And if there's any animals that want to eat these, then he can come and tase them. And Bunny will be like, what's this little thing with red glowing eyes running towards me really fast?
They grow tall. Little plant. All right. Let's see how they perk up. Just plant some on this side.
Yeah. Do we have any more seeds of those? Okay. Alright, time for a wine. Alright, guys. Good luck.